Hey guys, welcome to another video. And on the screen, you see we have Nexus Rewards. And right now we're in a place where a lot of savings companies are coming out. There's a lot of things around this space. It's attractive. Not only because who wants to, not save money, but it's just a easier networking affiliate type business, service based, very simple, and a lot of people are running with it. But the reason why I chose to, really bring Nexus Rewards back, which I've been in Nexus Rewards for years, is just because the compensation plan only makes sense for someone like me. So what I've acquired over the years is we need to stop worrying about, the matrix, so to say, spillover and stuff like that. And we need to worry about helping, in fast start bonuses and help people build businesses on their own. Once people are building businesses on their own, then these businesses are amazing. So $25 fast start commissions, great. You can do the math on how much money you want to make a week, but also monthly $2 coded bonuses on top of that. And what's interesting about these $2 monthly coded bonuses is this spills up from your members, two of their first five fast start commissions. So every member comes with a coded bonus, but when you get started in the company, two of your five pass up to your sponsor. So that's an extra quick start, in your income on top of those fast start bonuses. So you can imagine the leverage. And then 1% to affinity override. So our fast start affinities are a little bit smaller, but it goes to infinity. For example, if you're a pro 25 and say you get fast start commissions up until level 3, but it's only when someone else hits pro 25 in that leg. So when someone hits pro 25, then the affinity bonuses stop. However, when you rank up to pro 50, it opens up another level until someone hits that rank. So to sum all this up is you'll start earning bonuses from fast starts all day long when your business is moving. That's king because matrix pay takes months, times to build up. It's very low. And what's nice about this is you get more quicker money because you get 100% matrix matching. So if someone in the matrix makes $25, you make $25. So imagine you have, you know, 200 people making at least $25 and you're getting a match on that. Um, that's the king. For me, fast start bonuses are the most important thing because in these affiliate businesses, our whole goal is really to go get new people every single week, anyways. It's like you're working and working and working until eventually, everything else kicks in, and then you just have, 5,000 or whatever it is coming in every single month. But that's what most people do in a digital space. That's what most people do in affiliate marketing. They're marketing, marketing, marketing. They want to see sales. They don't just want to sit back. So I want to get rewarded for my personal sales. So we just activated this new account today. So if we come to the main menu, everything is very simple. It's not super high tech, but it's very simple. I want to show you pretty much the idea behind the product. So they have the Nexus bill reduction, they have Nexus VIP travel, Nexus benefits club, um, NXRX discounts, and then they have the Nexus Zoom rewards. So you can get like the premium Zoom for only $12.99 versus 50. So the other flip side is they integrated some of these apps. So these apps you can get in your app store, but what's so cool about it integrated is you take your affiliate link and you put it in the back office. So you can start getting rewarded, $34 using Rakuten. Upside, you get a bonus. Fetch, you get a bonus. So if you're going out recruiting, right, getting more customers for these services, you can automatically plug them in to these free apps that most of them probably still don't have, even though they're free. And then you guys can maximize those extra bonuses up front with this as well. So it's all about cash flow. That's the whole point of this company for me. It's not, I don't want a crazy compensation plan right now. I just want cash flow. I want to get cash flow to build up however much to cover my bills. and then build up however much to invest, and then build up however much to just start living my life and doing what I want to do. That's the whole point with this one stream of income, right? So it's not about all the fancy stuff, because most of the times when you get into the affiliate space, you're going to have other programs and softwares you can promote to, cover your multiple expenses anyways. But if you could have a powerhouse kind of like paying off everything, even better. And I feel like you can really do that in 30 to 90 days with Nexus Rewards. So we're going to look at the commission weekly one-time payment section. So you can come in here and set up everything. I want to put this in here just so you guys can see how it works. So you can do please do not send an automatic weekly payment, or you can do please send my weekly commission payment by direct deposit. There's going to be a $3 fee. So say for example you have $25, you want to keep in mind, and actually I don't even think you got to put a certain amount. I think pretty much it'll do it automatically, but it's going to take $3 out of that. So here it says, leave this in your account in case of chargebacks, or in case it'll pay your membership. So you'll never have to pay your $9.97 membership if you're making money, right? So keep that in there. So say you have $50 in the account, it's going to withdraw the fee, and it's going to keep at least 15 in there. So you never have to pretty much pay for Nexus again. And you can ask it to only send me a payment, which I'll probably, do something like only send me a payment when it's over $15, when the payment is over $15, or you can do whatever, but it says see. So it says it right here actually. So, and then you'll put your direct deposit here and you're all good to go. Click submit. So the money is automatic. Then we have some qualification level counts. So the only thing is there are some leg things. So pretty much if you bring in one customer that considers a leg, another customer that considers a leg. So they have some of those things like right here, Pro 25, you need at least 5 personal sales, 25 on your team, and you can only have 15 in each leg. So um, though that's only a little bit thing, but the good thing about that is it's going to just up the cash flow. So if you got to push a little harder to reach a certain rank, you're going to have that recurring commission up even more. So that's all cool. And then they, like I said, they have all the services here. They have some third party stuff, like the travel is built into the membership, but you can also buy it upright as well. But like I said, if you're getting a membership, you're locked in. And they also have these products. I don't use these products, just short disclaimer, but that's what this is back here. They have a partnership with these products as well, just so you know. But I'm here specifically for the membership, and you'll be able to see everything here, right? You'll be able to see your premium members, total members, and then your lifetime rewards. So, and then there's a little few things you can click around with, and you can see it in Spanish. And right here you see the membership is $9.95, will be processed in June. We just opened this, and yeah, it's $49.95. It has an affiliate fee in there to get started, and it's $9.95. So it's very affordable. So that is the introduction to Nexus Rewards, and I want you guys to really see, this is what I want to get this thing worldwide. I want to build this thing really deep, keep this as my front side hustle for cash flow, guys. It's just super simple. $50, anyone can really do that. So guys, this is Nexus Rewards, and other videos we'll get into the compensation plan a little bit more. I showed you the breakdown of it, but we'll get it into it anymore, because I'm probably going to have this video on the website as well. So guys, for more information on how to get started, everything will be in the description, or you'll see something below this video.